Once upon a time, in a far-off land, there was a kingdom ruled by a kind and just king. The kingdom was called the Land of Dragons, and it was a beautiful place filled with lush green forests, towering mountains, and sparkling rivers. The people of the kingdom were happy and prosperous, and they lived in harmony with the dragons that roamed the land. The dragons of the Land of Dragons were not like the fierce, fire-breathing dragons of old stories. These dragons were friendly creatures, and they were a valuable part of the kingdom. They helped the farmers to tend the crops, the miners to extract ore from the mountains, and even the knights to protect the kingdom from outside invaders. One day, a powerful sorcerer came to the kingdom and declared that he would take control of it for himself. He cast a spell that made all the dragons turn against the people and wreaked havoc on the kingdom. The king, afraid of the dragons, was hesitant to call on the knights to stop this sorcerer. But one brave knight, named Sir Cedric, stepped forward and said he would defeat the sorcerer and free the kingdom from his spell. The king, impressed by Sir Cedric's courage, gave him his blessing and sent him on his quest. Sir Cedric set out on his journey, armed only with his sword and shield. As he made his way through the forest, he came across a dragon who was fiercely attacking a village. But Sir Cedric remembered the kind and gentle dragons of his homeland, and he knew that this dragon was not acting of its own accord. He approached the dragon and spoke softly to it, telling it that it did not have to obey the sorcerer's spell. The dragon looked at Sir Cedric with its big, soulful eyes and seemed to understand. It stopped its attack and followed Sir Cedric as he continued on his quest. The dragon proved to be a valuable companion, helping Sir Cedric to defeat the sorcerer's minions and overcome the obstacles in his path. Finally, Sir Cedric reached the sorcerer's castle, where he engaged the sorcerer in a fierce battle. In the end, Sir Cedric emerged victorious, and he broke the spell that controlled the dragons. The dragons, freed from the sorcerer's magic, returned to their friendly and helpful ways. Sir Cedric was hailed as a hero throughout the kingdom, and he was given the king's highest honor for his bravery and selflessness. From that day on, the people of the kingdom lived in peace and harmony with the dragons once again. They would tell the tale of Sir Cedric and his dragon companion to their children at bedtime, and it would remind them always to be brave and to never give up hope, even in the darkest of times. The little boy went to bed with a smile on his face, feeling the warmth of bravery in his heart and the hope of kindness in his heart, and the dragons are guarding over him as he drifts off to sleep.